the planet. I didn't come to the USA to play around and play tip-tap boxing. I came here to do demolition jobs on cruiserweight on the planet.
We heard
I'm
you.
a
Heard you
fighting
about the
man.
play.
That's what I do.
You're the best man on the planet.
Tyson Fury's the name, and fighting's the game.
Okay.
Listen, everyone David Haye's fought, including Klitschko, I will smash to bits. Listen, I'm not here just saying I'll prove it. So let's get it on. Actually, I want him to be the champion in this fight because this is the last time he's ever going to get claim to fame or glory as ever going to be a champion in history again. Never.